Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you the differences between rosemary and thyme. But before I show you that, please, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow and reach more people, and like and share this video so that others can get to see this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You are the reason I'm here, and I'll be doing more videos for you to get more educative videos on this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So in this video, I want to quickly tell you the differences between rosemary and thyme. Here I have rosemary and here I have thyme. From the look of it, you can even see the differences. Rosemary is longer and thyme is shorter and slimmer, you can see. But rosemary is a little fatter and longer. So I have the difference as to the color now. Rosemary is greener than thyme. So rosemary is woody evergreen shrub with needle-like leaves that are dark green on top and slippery on the bottom. And thyme is smaller herb with small rounded leaves that grow on thin stems in clusters. Can you see that? This is thyme. Can you see? And here rosemary. Then rosemary has stronger aroma or flavor, while thyme, the aroma or flavor is very mild. It's mild. When you use it, you will know the differences. Then rosemary goes well with roasted meats and olive oil, while thyme can add flavor to soups, stew, sauces, beans, rice, and the likes. So these are things that make your cooking to add up. When you use this, your cooking games will change, it will add up. Then rosemary helps with digestion, while thyme helps to reduce inflammation. It alleviates menstrual cramps and it relieves cough. So by this now, they have a lot of differences, but by these ones, I know that you already know the differences between rosemary and thyme. From the look of it, you can see now they are different. I heard a lot of people saying rosemary, when you get to the market, people be saying which one is rosemary, which one is thyme. They don't really know the differences. So that's why I decided to come and show you today, so that you will get to know their various differences. So thank you so much for staying. I appreciate you. Please watch my other videos and get to learn other educative things I've done on this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.